I want to be a safety engineer.
I'm going to be a communications specialist.
A loan officer.
A public accountant.
A human resources manager.
A productivity coach.
Hi, I'm Stephen McClung. I'm the Dean of the School of Business and Industry at Jacksonville State University. The School of Business and Industry is comprised of 3 units: the School of Business, the Department of Communication, and the Department of Applied Engineering.
Management and marketing degrees are important because in business, every organization does 3 things. They're going to make something, they're going to market that, and then they're going to count their money. So 2/3 of that is made up of management and marketing. So when you're looking at career paths and job opportunities, 2/3 of those job opportunities are going to be management or marketing related. So all organizations seek out management marketing majors to help them in the making of the product, the marketing of the product.
Potential students should consider taking classes in the Department of Communications because, one, communication is a field that is in so high demand and it's always evolving and changing, and so it's very exciting. Students also can be very interactive in our department. We teach them both the tactical and the foundational skills that they need. So with tactical skills, our students can learn how to develop broadcasting segments, whether it's for radio or television, but they also learn how to draft news articles and press releases. But in addition to tactical skills, they learn the strategic skills that they need and the reasons why these tactical skills are so important. So they learn how these skills are actually applied into the profession and when they need to use them. And so it gives them a more well-rounded sense of how the communications field works.
We offer those big school opportunities that a lot of other schools don't. And so that's been one thing that's been huge. You get that personalized experience with a smaller setting, but you're also getting exposed to all these bigger opportunities for you to get involved with.
Our department is known for exceptional graduates in finance, economics, and accounting, going out into the job field and becoming great business leaders, whether at a small business, a large corporation, in government, or politics.
JSU has helped me with my real estate experience back home in Idaho. Definitely. A lot of the classes that I take, specifically my sales classes, I know with Dr. Lee, the Salesforce management class, and then advertising and promotions as well. Those classes really stick out to me as being the most beneficial for my real estate career. There have been several things I learned, and they're just about specifically talking to people, how to communicate, different ways to do a trial close with them to make sure they're understanding everything clearly. Little things like that are really going to be beneficial with real estate.
With JSU, it's more than just you're a student. I think at JSU you're really someone that matters, and I think having all of my professors want to see me succeed and want to see me do well, want to see me have an internship before I graduate, that just really helped me because I had people that believed in me that really didn't even know me, and so that made a huge difference for me.
So we're really known for producing students who are completely prepared for their professional lives when they leave campus. And a big reason for that is that applied engineering involves applying technology, applying the latest technology to solve problems. So when a student enters the workforce, they're familiar with what they're going to be using on the job.
They offer extracurricular activities in the department that can help you gain skills in your area. They also offer tutoring that can help you be successful in your area. And they also are mentors that can mentor you through real-world scenarios, help you find internships, and gain training for your job.
Each professor knows me personally. They know me by my name. It's so wonderful because the professors that you choose and the classes that you choose in the School of Business, everyone wants to help you. They are in your corner. They want to see you succeed. You know, hey, you're not alone in this.
For our finance students, we have a very active financial management association, and so part of that is the Student Managed Investment Fund. So we have a really generous donor who has given a block of money for the students to actually use real dollars to invest, deciding which stocks to buy or sell and trade to really get that real-world experience with the stock market.
I love that I'm not just a name or a student ID number. They actually know me, and all my professors from freshman year till now, if I see them out, I wave, say hi, they ask me how I'm doing. I just like that it's very personal and it's genuine. It's not forced or anything like that, and I just love that aspect of JSU.
We're scheduled to be in a brand new building. We're looking at a finance lab, we're going to have a restaurant on location, and it's going to be one of the marquee facilities at Jacksonville State University. from that point on, that will be the new home of the School of Business and Industry, and we're looking forward to being in the building.
I can't express enough how much the school has given me and how much I've learned about myself during my time here at JSU. It's been a really great opportunity for me, and I really just can't recommend this school enough. You'll fall in love the second that you step on campus, and it's something that never goes away.